In many third world countries, being able to have rice is a kind of blessing. Sticky rice is common in the Southeast Asia region because this type of rice is sticky and can be eaten just as it. Think of sticky rice being used as a type of bread for these cultures. Sticky rice is also very filling, so it makes you feel less hungry after eating it. So you see, it's truly a kind of blessing, and therefore sticky rice is cooked in a very ritual way. For the majority of them, sticky rice is cooked using steam because using any other method to cook sticky rice is a task extremely hard to control. Using hot water vapor to cook sticky rice is not only foolproof, but the vapor makes it more ceremonial. Me, on the other hand, has mastered the art of cooking sticky rice using any container. Here I am using a 700 milliliters camping cup that I found in a Japanese dollar store. This cup is topless, but you do need to have a lid for this, and I am using an aluminum plate made in India as my improvised lid. I actually use this very thick and very well-made plate for a variety of stuff. That is it. Near perfectly cooked sticky rice. If you are interested in the details, see my other video. I will not be repeating it here. Nowadays, me eat meat rarely, and for my rice meal, I am adding my secret vegan sauce. Again, I have a video for that as well, but this particular secret sauce is slightly different. I rarely create the exact same sauce anyway. While this sauce works very well with my perfectly cooked sticky rice, it's not phenomenal. This new receipt is not as good as my previous sauce. Taste is very deceptive because it's purely based on your perception, and it's ever-evolving. Next is a few steamed bok choy coated with my special red chili seasoning. Yes, indeed, besides sauce, I create my own seasoning as well. It's cheaper and better, so why not? And last not least, a tiny portion of fermented mustard greens with olive. Personally, a bowl of sticky rice and a tiny amount of this Cantonese pickled vegetable is as good as a meal to me. This goes very well with rice or any type of neutral carbohydrate. Therefore, despite the slightly imperfection of my sauce, this bowl of vegan sticky rice is very palatable. It's fulfilling not only physically, but spiritually and morally.